In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Slides while presenting. This skill can be incredibly useful for educators, presenters, or anyone looking to make their presentations more interactive and engaging. Let's dive into the process. First and foremost, you'll need to access your Google Slides. Begin by signing into your Google account. Navigate to the Google Slides website, and when prompted, enter your email and password before clicking Next. This will take you directly to the home page where all your slide presentations are neatly organized. Once you've identified the presentation you want to work on, open it. Now, to get to the point where you can actually start writing on your slides while presenting, you're going to initiate the presentation mode. Look for the slideshow button. This may seem straightforward, but it's a crucial step to ensure that your slides are in full screen mode, providing a clean canvas for your annotations. After you've entered the slideshow mode, you'll notice that your cursor can move freely across the slide. This is where the magic happens. To begin writing on your slide, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen. You'll see three dots, often referred to as the More button. Clicking on this will reveal a menu full of useful features that are often overlooked. Within this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Turn on the Pen. By selecting this, Google Slides enables a pen tool that allows you to draw or write directly on your presentation slides in real time. This feature is incredibly useful for highlighting important points, drawing diagrams, or making annotations that can help emphasize the message you're trying to convey to your audience. Remember, the ability to write on your slides during a presentation adds a dynamic element to your delivery. It can make complex ideas easier to understand and keep your audience engaged with the material you're presenting. Plus, it's a great way to address questions or add additional information on the fly without having to exit the presentation mode. And there you have it. That's how you can write on Google Slides while presenting, a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentations. Whether you're teaching a class, leading a workshop, or presenting an idea to your colleagues, this functionality can be a game changer in the way you communicate your ideas. Go ahead, give it a try in your next presentation, and see the impact it can have on your audience engagement and understanding. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore this feature and make the most out of your Google Slides presentations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.